This is what you're going to do if you want to optimize SEO and hosting your website builder. First, you're going to make sure that you open the website builder editor, which is builder.hostinger.com. And then from here, you're going to head over to this left side panel where you will be able to see this SEO button right here. You're just going to click on that. And then from there, we will be able to find this SEO. Now from there, we're going to select a page that we want to optimize. We're going to navigate to the SEO tab like this one. And then we're going to have to edit the page title, meta description, and the URL slug to make this optimized. So from there, we can just add a focus keyword right here. We can add a new keyword. We can also just edit the SEO title to make it appear, more noticeable. So as you can see here, they have already several tips on what you can do in order to optimize your SEO. You can the SEO title should not be empty. SEO title length should be between 10 to 60 characters. The current count is 48 characters for mine. And then the SEO title should include a focus keyword like cotton candy cake, warm bakery sweets, and then sweet chocolate desserts for my page. And then that's it. That is how you can optimize your SEO and hosting your website builder. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.